Hey guys, so in this section I want to introduce you to both WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Now in this series we're going to be dealing with WordPress.org pretty much the whole time, but I did want to just show you WordPress.com really quick and just go through and create a quick account and then show you how the blogging works. So I'm at WordPress.com and I'm going to click on Get Started. And it's just going to create an account for us so that we can start blogging. So I'm going to put in my email address. I actually think they have that email address, so I'm going to put in a different one. Okay, my username, say Tech Guy Web. So if it's already taken, it'll tell you. Password. Actually, I'm going to hide that. Okay, so blog address. This is where your URL will come in. They have gone ahead and pre-filled this info2013.wordpress.com. I don't want that. So I'm going to see if Tech Guy Web is available, which it is. Okay, so, and you can also, you don't need to use this subdomain. You can also use, like I could use techguyweb.org if I wanted to register it, or if I had it registered. I could use that from my blog, so you can do that. It costs a little bit extra, $18 a year extra, but I mean it's worth it if you're going to go through WordPress.com. So here it just shows us the different options. The blog is free. Domain name and mapping is not. 10 gigs, you can pay for 10 gigabytes of space if you want. The default comes with 2 gigabytes, which is a good amount for a small blog. Ads, if you don't want ads on your site, you need to pay premium. Custom design, you need to pay. And video press, which is just video sharing, you need to pay. So we're going to go ahead and create the free blog. Now I got to check my email and just respond to that or confirm my account. So I'm going to click Activate Blog. Alright, so now we go through this set up your blog. My blog title, I'm going to call it Tech Guy Web Blog. And tagline, I'll just say web technology articles and info. So here's where you can choose a theme, and they have some decent themes. They're all very simple. I'm just going to go ahead and choose. Oh, actually, these aren't free. These are premium. Well, the ones that have the price, $60. I'm just going to. I guess I'll choose this Suburbia theme. And this is actually pretty new, this whole sign up and creation interface. You can customize if you want. So we can customize the colors, the background image. Let's see, header text color. Let's do like a dark blue kind of. Alright, so I guess that's saved. Alright, so create your first post. Now you can create text, photo, video, quote, and links. I'm going to choose text. And I'm just going to call this Hello World. This is my first WordPress.com post. Okay, so we can publish the post. And here we are. We're in our dashboard. It's telling us that new posts that we publish will appear here in the stream below. So if we wanted to create a new post, we just go up here and click New Post. We could share a video. Let's share a video. Now we need to put in the URL of YouTube or whatever service we're using. I'm just going to grab a video from YouTube. Let's look for a WordPress video. WordPress introduction. That's what I want. Alright, let's just grab this. Let's grab this video here. So we'll copy the URL, paste it in here, and we can fetch it. And it should grab all the information. Well, I thought it would grab the title and stuff. We'll just put that in ourselves though. Alright. Okay, so post published. Now we can click on view post. And this is what our blog looks like. This is the theme we chose. So it has our video. If we click on Tech Guy Web Blog, it shows us each post, and we can click to read more. We can add a comment. They have share options. We could share on Facebook or Twitter. So that's basically what WordPress.com is. I mean, there's not too much customization to it, but I mean, if you're someone that's not very tech savvy and doesn't want to deal with installing or configuring or customizing WordPress, then this could be what you want. But I doubt that, because you wouldn't have bought this video if that was what you wanted. So next we're going to go to WordPress.org. So this is where all the themes, plugins, all that kind of stuff is located. Support. So what you would do, what we will do in the next section or the next chapter, is download WordPress 3.5.1. That's the latest version at this time. So we would just download that. It's just a zip package, and we'll download it. Then we'll go and upload the files to XAMPP and do all that stuff. So we're not going to do that in this section, but that's what we'll be doing. I just want to show you, we have a couple links up here. The showcase link is basically just a list of sites that use WordPress. So most of the popular ones are first. We have LL Cool J's site, The Inquisitor, I think I saw MSNBC or something like that, Snoop Dogg. So you can see there's a lot of high profile companies, MSNBC TV. So there's a good amount of sites here you can go through. They're categorized as well. So now we can go to the themes directory, and it looks like there's almost 1,800 themes in this directory. So we have Altitude, Attitude. Let's take a look at that one. And you can actually preview most of them. If we click on preview, it should show us pretty much a full version. So this is the theme preview. This is an extremely simple theme, probably used as a starter theme, so you can add your own CSS and customize it even more. You'll find a lot of those, as these ones here. A responsive Bootstrap theme. I don't know if you're familiar with the Twitter Bootstrap framework. It's an HTML and CSS framework, and it's responsive. So if we close the browser window, you can see the layout changes. So that makes it so it looks good on tablets and mobile phones. You can see the menu changes to a drop down. Really cool, really nice theme to start with, and then customize as you go, which is probably what we'll be doing. Yeah, so I mean, there's a bunch of themes. Let's check out one more. This Discover theme looks like a video sharing kind of template. Yeah, so you can see it shows the different styles, the headings, paragraphs. Yeah, so that's pretty nice. So that's the themes. Next we have the plugins, and you can see there is 25,431 plugins, and they'll have the most popular listed on the side here. Contact Form 7 is a really good contact form plugin. That's probably what we'll be using. I also use this all-in-one SEO pack quite a bit. It makes it so you can add your own URLs and page titles, stuff like that. And there's also video and image gallery plugins. Just there's a whole bunch of them, a whole bunch of categories you can look at. So I'd really suggest that you go here yourself and look around a bit. And then support, we have the support forums, which are very helpful. Everybody's pretty nice, and they'll help you even if it's a noob question or whatever. Get involved. If you really wanted to get involved and be part of the WordPress coding community, you could do that. You could work on the user interface or the core functionality, whatever. It's all open source. You can also check out the WordPress.org blog, which will give the latest news and updates and information. You can see 10 good years. It's actually their 10th anniversary that they're celebrating. So yeah, that's it for both sites, WordPress.com and .org. And they're really helpful if you ever get stuck, if you have some error messages or something's not working right. The community is really good about helping. So yeah, I mean, that's it. In our next video, we'll be installing XAMPP, and then we'll install WordPress, and then we'll be on our way. So thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.